What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about something that I think is not outside of the norm of what we talk about, which is really related to cryptocurrency, but more of a company that's involved in cryptocurrency and being a major part, honestly, kind of innovating a little bit. And it goes to show, right? There's many different use cases and many different ways that you can implement Bitcoin, you can implement cryptocurrency into the world we already know and love and flow through and walk through and work through. Um, and it can flow through honestly any industry, any sector. So I want to talk about meanwhile. Now, if you haven't heard of this project, we're going to go through exactly what it is, or this company, and what it does, because it's a way to kind of innovate and kind of change course and do things a little bit differently than how we normally do it, right? It's the first and only life insurance company denominated in Bitcoin. So it ties together life insurance and cryptocurrency all together under one roof, which I feel like is a complete step forward in kind of the sense of adoption, right? So let's go ahead and talk about this, guys. If you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bells for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel, and you can check out all the links for Meanwhile down below. I'll put it at the top of the description. Um, but again, when we think about cryptocurrency, the first thing people ask you when you love cryptocurrency is like, what are you going to use it for? Why should I invest my money into the cryptocurrency? What are they going to do with it? And I think when I have those questions or I answer those questions, right now we don't have many companies or many projects that really implement, crypto in a large way to be of use of normal people, right? Of the normal actions of everyday life. So if I'm going to Target or Walmart or something, I can't utilize crypto to do that, right? If I'm shopping online, depending what the website is, I can utilize crypto. But the point is how can we implement it into what we do and what we pay for and how we use money in our everyday life, right? So uh, incomes, meanwhile, which is life insurance now in Bitcoin, the first and only life insurance company denominated in Bitcoin. Leverage the value of your Bitcoin during your life and secure your family's future after you're gone with our whole life insurance policy. You can get started today. I already have an account there, but I'm not logged in. But you can get started today, and you would fill out all the information in order to start an account, in order to go through, different information to really get set up to what kind of your cost would be, because life insurance depends on what your age is, what your health is like, if you smoke or whatever, right? So feel free to check it out if you guys are interested. I thought it's an interesting company. So protection, your loved ones get a fixed payout no matter when you die. Um, Tax advantage savings, the long term payout is higher than what you invest into the policy, and those returns grow tax free. Tax free compounding savings rate. You have liquidity. You can borrow BTC against your policy. So if BTC 10x, for example, you could borrow a BTC from us at the higher or the 10x higher cost basis. You have the option to pay back the loan or netting the outstanding loan balance against the death benefit. Hedging or hedge estate tax. You can buy a policy worth 40% of your Bitcoin holdings and keep it in your real keep it in your estate. So if BTC goes to the moon, your death benefit scales with the BTC in your estate to help cover the estate tax. Different FAQs, different information. I'm sure people have some questions, and feel free to go and reach out to their Twitter. Right now they have 1,390 followers on Twitter. So feel free to go and reach out to them, at them, and if you have any other questions besides anything that's in the FAQ here, I'm sure they'll be open to answering it. When will it be available? Now, join the wait list, and a member of our team will reach out when it's your turn. How much does it cost? The policy cost varies based on your age, sex, and tobacco use. We are currently working with clients on policies with a total premium of 1 BTC or greater, paid in equal installments over 10 years. Is it only is Bitcoin only? Right now, yes, premiums and claims are entirely denominated in Bitcoin. Um, do you have to live in the U.S.? The current product is designed for U.S. citizens and their tax situation. If you are a citizen of a different country and are interested, join the wait list, and we'll let you know when a policy is available for you. What types of people purchase policies? Any U.S. taxpayer that intends to hold Bitcoin for the rest of their life. How should I think about sizing my policy? Our policy holders consider many things when deciding how to size their policy: total balance sheet, tax situation, current and future intended exposure to BTC, etc. We recommend consulting with your tax accountant. Sorry, that came up with your tax accountant before deciding what size policy to take out. Now, I think this is interesting, right? I want to see how things, fully flow, because if you think about it, um, it's giving you a different way to, one, utilize Bitcoin if you believe in Bitcoin, if you believe in cryptocurrency, and the growth of what that will be, instead of just like the dollar. Because typically when you go through life insurance, you have a dollar, it really doesn't rise in value. Honestly, it decreases in value. So if you have a $500,000 policy, that $500,000 policy within the next 10 years is worth way less, because the US dollar and inflation rate and all of that. You would honestly need that 500,000 to be worth, 700,000 at that point. But when you look at something like Bitcoin, that has historically risen in value and has gone from hundreds of billions of dollars worth of market cap, honestly, hundreds of millions of dollars worth of a market cap, to hundreds of billions to trillions of dollars worth of a market cap, and honestly, a lot further than where we are right now. You're going to see so much more success and so much more growth and so much more value, because obviously, it's by the Bitcoin, not by the actual dollar value that's there. So the current dollar value, but it would be by the Bitcoin and how that does 10x, so, or 20x, or whatever the circumstances are. But this is something that's definitely interesting. I think you guys need to go and check it out. You can get started today. If you are interested, you can reach out to them on Twitter. I'll provide their Twitter down below in the comment section, or in the description, and I will provide the website in the description as well. I want to know what you guys think, right? Do you get questions if you are cryptocurrency fan, right? Cryptocurrency holder? Do you get questions all the time, like how are they going to utilize crypto anytime you talk to someone about crypto? Like that's what I get all the time from anybody that's a traditionalist. They're always like, how can I use crypto in the real world? Well, this is one way that you are utilizing crypto in the real world. You are adopting crypto in the real world. And I want to know what you guys have to say about it. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below for me, for Meanwhile, and for anything that you do see down there. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.